is going on, race fans? Ocean with Impact Customs here, and we are getting ready for race day, baby. That's right. It is finally that time of the year. We are gonna get to race circle track. Right now, we're gonna go meet up with my dad, also known as Mike from Impact Customs, if you guys know Impact Customs Mike. And we're gonna go get the trailer loaded up with the Honda. Need an energy stop first though. Liquor store.
This battery is like fucking 10 years old and we haven't charged it, so you might have to push start me a couple times.
Huh? So hopefully it works. Let's touch both sides with something metal and see what happens. The results may shock you.
I'm gonna count a WD-40.
Let's see what we got. Standard. The white lithium.
And voila.
We made improvements, see? So it doesn't kick out this year.
Oh yeah.
Alright, there we go. 11:02, May 6th. Race day, and we're on the way. Got the Honda back there. Dutch Master's lit, ready to go. Just rolling out to the track. We're rolling up. We only broke one tie-down strap, which I think is a victory in itself. Get out here and get some footage for the Dirk. Oh hey, how's it going?
Going good, running good. Really good. Brand new tires, brand new motor.
Yeah.
Woo!
You ran like an 18.4?
And that's with those tires. I don't even have the race tires on yet, bro. That's with street tires.
We need to get the stickies on. Got the clamp on here. The Gorilla Grip 9000. I think it should hold. Safety zip ties in case it doesn't. Show you the view.
Any laps in the 17s, or was I 18s the whole way?
We have to go look.
17.3.
Holy shit, bro! You're faster than me. Look like you're qualifying faster than me. No, I need to go try my tires.
Track had some marbles, so we're gonna get out here and fucking give it a little try to clean this shit out. It's getting slick for all the different classes, all the drivers. Let's get a look. A little rocky. Durkee says it matters. I see him over there, looking at you intensely. He said it's a heat race, don't crash.
Shake and bake, yeah, shake and bake.
Shake and bake. Yes. Got the horsepower, but we got the cornering. Premier line, premier line. Oh, he's getting squirrely. Yeah, buddy! Let's go! Yeah! It's possible. Oh yeah. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. The chatterbox coming through. Dude, what a save.
How you doing, baby?
What a save.
See the
Still.
Oh man.
first or last?
I feel like Ricky Bobby right now when he found out that, you know, Frenchie could drive. I said that about me.
Man, all I hear is that freeway fucking pushing me, man.
So that thing opened up on the side of me. Oh, I was like, oh, wow.
What the fuck?
Okay.
I stayed out of you. I thought.
Dude, fuck.
That was a good save.
You look over and I'm just there?
I didn't even know you were there.
That was a sneak attack.
Oh, it was a good dive in.
Oh, we have melted the tire, dude.
Well, yeah, this thing got fucking pitched fully sideways.
Melted the tire, dude.
Got fucking fully pitted.
Did you have the fully pitted on video?
I think so. It's on that one too.
Yeah, I wasn't sure what happened there. Like, all of a
Reviewing the
sudden-
footage. Alright, meet and greet.
That was the broom homie. They helped us sweep.
What did they say?
I don't know. They were stoked because I think we did good.
Are we? No, this guy's, he's missing. Can't see shit. Turn on the lights, people. I think they're just going to do a full restart. Didn't complete a lap. Prelude's coming, that thing's fast as shit. This real talk right now. So what I'm thinking right now, he's gonna go to the back. It's caution. We are up front. I don't know how many laps we're down, but I feel like at least 10. If we hold it off for a few more laps, we got it. Woo! Yeah. Oh, dude, that Prelude's up his butt. But if he spins us, he's going to the back too. The kid knows. Oh, he's getting trapped out. That's right, that's right, that's right. outside. Is a kid willing to go? Oh, we're getting a little wide. Oh, Matt's gonna take the line, maybe. Let's see. Does he defend second? No, he doesn't. Oh, he's not giving up the line. That's right, Turkey. See him, he's getting the white flag. I think we're 2 to go right now. Yes, baby, let's go, come on. White flag, we're still out front. That's right. Yeah, not last place anymore. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, you got a banner? What? Main event winner? Dude, I feel like we just won Supercross right now, dude. Let's see. Boom, new shop banner. Let's go. Trophy. Yeah, here, hold up. You gotta hold it up first. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right.
That's how we do
Hell
it.
yeah.